Good morning, everyone. Today is Abigail's birthday. 27 years added to life. We're here with our brother Wayan. He will be our tour guide for today. So yeah, I'm gonna drop down his link. If you ever guys come to Bali, this is the man, the myth, the legend. So we pretty much got a full day on today, UBUD, and hope you guys enjoy our video. So I'm gonna drop this on the link.
See the traffic already.
Oh, traffic coming.
Yeah, going.
Are we gonna go back this way?
No.
Oh, lucky. That's good.
Until in front airport, we already going to highway.
Oh, nice.
But in highway, we cannot explore anything. There just see. In the left, in the right, just see. But highway just 5 minutes. Like a shortcut.
Oh, nice. And you're saying during the Christmas.
Yeah.
During the Christmas, it usually starts from where like people are walking to the airport because it's just too full. Yeah.
Yes. It's 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer. Oh my gosh.
1 kilometer. Yes. Walk to the airport with leggings.
Wow.
Go, bro. Apa tuh, Pak? Oh. Pak.
Oh wow. So like a bridge.
The highway. Oh.
Here at Sari Dewi, it's just how they're gonna be doing their gold and silver.
picture or video.
Oh, yes.
I've been
Oh,
to
that's
Bali.
so pretty. It's our first time.
Oh, welcome in Bali.
Thank you.
How to make jewelry now? Start from 100% silver. Silver and gold, not from Bali, from the other island. Bali just to making style. Here just demonstration for the silver first. Yeah?
Okay.
If I make from 100% silver jewelry, to very soft, must put some copper. Mix together at the fire, strong fire becomes sterling silver. This already 92.5% silver with one like that. From this we hammer, yeah. From this we hammer, we make the silver flat like this, and then we roll it a little in the machine and outside. From the flat cutting around under the finish, we make the silver wire. We make the size for the wire. Put from big hole until the small wire. We pull strong until the wire. Put with the style. Here we have ring on the front. We have earring the side, bracelet, necklace, and so on. After discount, if you take a loan, get more or less. You can buy with Australian dollars, rupiah, or credit card.
And then how much are these ones?
This cheaper price, $400,000. $450 before discount.
Right.
This is 650. Without this, with the stone become this becomes.
Yeah, yeah. 'Cause it's like
Maran, what's this called again? What's it called again?
Kopi luwak.
Coffee Luwak.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yo, loncat deh. Dari kau, lurus. Oh, dikit.
So now Maran's taking us to the Coffee Luwak. There's a new unique way of how they make this coffee. Hey, can you just tell us what's going on?
So we're tasting their coffee that they make here from this animal called the Luwak. It poops and they make it into coffee.
Did you hear that? So it's an animal. It's an animal. It's an animal that poops. To Luwak. It's an animal that poops, and we're gonna drink it, young Ali.
With the name of
What's the animal?
coffee.
Sleeping. Is it like a cat or?
Civet. The family of the possums or raccoon.
Oh.
They native from Indonesia. And this animal will stay here a week, and then we're gonna release them back to the wild again to let them for free. They live everywhere. They are pests. They eat everything, not just coffee. Why they like coffee? Because coffee when turns red is sweet like a cherry. That's why when they climb up the trees, and when we process the coffee, we put the animal in the farm, in the old trees, not in the young trees, because they will too happy and then broke the coffee trees.
Yeah.
Well, we have two farms, Arabica coffee farm, Robusta coffee farm, so we made two of them. That's why we have to tap Luwak coffee. And when they eat coffee, they just select the best one. They do like it, and then they chewy, but they never break it down. The beans when they chewy, because in outside of the seeds like a jelly texture, and the beans of the coffee when they ripe is the hard, and then they have a shell, they have a hard skin. That's why the coffee when they just through to the stomach is still full bean, and then in the stomach they do process like fermentation by them special enzymes. But because they have low digestive system, they cannot process. They just digest the skin one, and the bean come out follow the going together. And when it comes out, they're solid like a Snicker bars. That I will show you.
Oh, you're gonna see it.
And when they come out too, they still bring them the hard skins, the shell. That's where the bean and the poo never connected when they come out. That's why still allowed to drink. Like a Muslim say, halal.
Halal.
And the coffee is quite different, the taste compared to the normal coffee because they've been processed in the stomach. They're more rich. They're low caffeine, low acid, but high protein. So low acid is very good for our tummy. Now I will show you the poo there.
Okay,
Let's go see the poop.
So the coffee when it comes out, we put inside of the box because it's unclean yet. This is after we clean, they will separate like this, and then we're gonna peel off like this. See, not only one layer, they do have 2 layers of skin. But this is too tight, we can't clean them by hand. But when we're roasting, they will burn by themselves. And after we get the clean one, we will roasting like that. More lighter, ginger, we made for the tea, galangal, cinnamon, clove, white pepper, black pepper. This for cooking. And here how we roasting the coffee, still by a traditional way. So guys, for 1 kilo coffee, we're gonna roasting around 30 minutes. After we roasting, we're gonna put here. And he will pound it.
Gym, right?
For exercise. Getting Alright, and I will grab some. So guys, you can smell. But it's not ready to drink. We need to sip. Traditional process. We need to put here and then sip the coffee like this. And this is the big one. We're gonna put back to pounding. And this is the pine powder. We're just gonna mix with the boiling water. We don't drink all because they have sediments. Because when we make coffee, no filter, just put boiling water. Now I will bring you to table, and we have some tasting food.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Hello. See that? Get that nice coffee done.
Let's start from the coffee. Here, vanilla coffee. Vanilla good for calm your nerves. Mocha coffee. Coffee mixed with the chocolate. Coconut coffee is good for skins and hair. Ginseng coffee, the one for the energy. Later on the way back, I will show you the plant of ginseng and the other things again. And this one, mixing together, was good for stamina. And this is BALI and cholesterol. And this one, saffron tea mixed together with the turmeric for stomach problem and anti-inflammatory. Hot chocolate, happiness drink.
I love hot chocolate.
Rosella tea, good for high blood pressure and blood circulation. Ginger tea, good for sore throat and cough. And this one, roasted red rice tea, good for the bone. And calcium is quite high. Lemongrass.
Alright, Abigail's gonna try first for her birthday. This is the coffee from the animal.
The Luwak coffee.
Luwak. There he goes. You didn't even drink it.
I did.
Zip, 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 zip.
It just tastes like coffee, black coffee.
Yeah? Alright.
Because I'm not a coffee expert. I think that it would be better with sugar.
She said to them. It's still going. Alright, Luwak coffee. How do I say cheers? Cheers. Yes, cheers. That's it. Cheers. From Command Blessing. That's alright.
What do you think? Yeah. It just tastes like coffee.
Like normal coffee. Vanilla coffee. I want to taste it.
My favorite is coconut one.
Which one's this one? Mochaccino. Cappuccino. Oh, that's alright. That's alright.
This one is like...
This one's coconut coffee. Oh, I remember this. Kind of gives me that really a fan of it. Thank you. We're just stopping here to get something to eat. Just here at Seminar Kuning Resto. Have a nice view of the rice. We told our driver to come eat with us. Such a lovely guy.
We shot lunch. He was,
what was he gonna say?
he was confused and he was hungry last month. He was like, we have to also do that.
Different life.
Yeah.
Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I was so shocked.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Did you do this?
It's like a day club.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
it's basically 3 shots. Oh my god, I saw this somewhere.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's like a pool. Another day.
Well, I'm still gonna swim.
Are you swimming?
I don't know. No. So here, coffee tour, rice field. You wanna try here? Oh, the swings here. Yeah. Can you see my Crocs? These are Crocs from Kmart. Can see the swings from here. So for this place you only can have 5 people. Yeah, mean toast. Ready? Come, don't worry. Don't worry about me. Because I'm made in the name of Jesus.
But not on like.
कैप्शन अच्छा डाल देंगे मैं सोचते कि
We just finished the tour. Goes to show how unfit I am. So we're just having the coconut. Just waiting for our driver.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, really. Thank you so much. Thank you.